What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video, and we have to take a look at the Dogecoin chart here. If you can look, this is the trend line that we set yesterday, and with this line we're continuing to follow it to a T actually. So this is really good that we're actually following this little trend line. We're probably gonna trade sideways a little longer for like this, and then around here at 1500 inside of military time we'll come up here and we will do something like this. We'll continue to do some more movement like this before we get a little drop off, and that's why around 30 cents, possibly even 34 cents is when I'm going to sell Doge, and then I'm going to buy back in when we come back around here, which will be our newly found support line. This is what I'm thinking here. Maybe 25 and 26 cents will be our newly found support line here for Doge. So when we do drop, we'll have some support to drop to. So 25 cents around there, that should be good. Or around here, you can say 22 cents could be your support line. You could set it wherever you want. It's just wherever you believe that the support will be. There was support right there, so that is good. And we also have the 15 cents down here, which was the original support line that we set. And before 15 cents, we set our support line a while ago, which was at 7 cents. It was way down here. At 7 cents, we had some support. Or not some support, but we had some resistance over here at 7 cents. So we could set that down there. We would think it would go that low, but we know it will not go that low. But this is really what we're looking at right now. So we're looking at these lines here, and with Doge we have this resistance. I keep confusing myself. I mean resistance, but we have some resistance here. It doesn't want to go up, but once it gets around here, it will continue to rise. It's just been trading sideways. But yeah, just a little bit of resistance here with Doge. Doge is going to continue to rise though. I do believe we're going to continue to hit these lines here. This trend line is definitely going to continue to go up with Doge. So my plan is just to sell it around 30 cents or 34 cents, possibly 35, but I don't think it'll get that high before dropping. So probably will do just 30 cents before it drops. And that's where I'm probably going to end up selling. And then I'll probably end up buying back when it goes below. Probably down here to 25 cents if it does go like that low again. But I may just end up selling it at 35 cents and then buying back in at 30 cents, just to be safe. But this is just a swing trading strategy that I'm thinking about here with Doge, and that this was just a little go off of what I did yesterday, and it's following the whole trend line that we set yesterday. So we're definitely going to continue to rise here with Doge. And yeah, I definitely expect it to get to around 30 cents before we have a little bit of a sell-off. And that will be a good buying opportunity for everyone. So that's just some food for thought there. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's go over here and look at our trading for Doge. 7.4 billion inside the last 24 hours has been traded. That is way less than what we had in Doge, because around Doge Day 420, we had 24 billion in the last 24 hours. So there's definitely a decrease inside trading. And even in market cap, we're at 34 billion. So we're doing better than we were before with Doge. And even after the little drop yesterday, we just went straight up, just like I said we would. Like, we did not stay down for long at all. So these drops in Doge, they're more artificial because they're coming from different things. Like, they're coming from, news for capital gains tax. They're coming from whale selling. They're not really coming from Doge moving as a whole. They're coming from just large portions of Doge that are like, that are not doing the same thing as other ones. Like, whales have so much more pull than just normal retail investors, and the big news has so much more pull than Doge Day. So that is one thing to think about. But yeah, we are definitely going to continue to rise here with Doge. We just needed to get back to these levels. We just needed to get back to a level where we could grow even more. So we had to bounce back because we could not break that resistance up there. So we have to bounce back with Doge, and look at us now. We're going to continue to go up with Doge. We just got to keep trading with it, I guess. But like I said, if worst comes to worst, we drop, that would be 15 cents. And that wouldn't be too bad. I mean, it would be bad with Doge, but then you could acquire more Doge at a cheaper price. But with the chart that we're going on right now, I would not predict that it's going to just drop like that, because we already had our little downtrend here. We already had our little bullish time, our bearish time here at Doge, and now we're going right back on a uptrend. But yeah, we are going right back up with Doge. And with this, we are pretty much expected to go up until about 30 cents and then come back down to 25. Just like when we went down to 16 cents, we went all the way up to 28 cents, but then we came back down to 22. So there's always going to be this huge drop after there's a lot of growth, but the drop will not be as big as the growth, which is the most important part to think about, because when we dropped over here, we did not drop below 22 cents. Or yeah, it was 22 to 23 cents over here, and we did not drop below that point. And just like down in here, we did not drop below our 16 cents. So we will not drop below this point here. Now we already have this at 22 cents, and then once we continue to rise here with Doge, we probably won't drop below 25 cents, to be honest. Once we reach up to 30 to 35 cents, we won't drop below 25 cents. So that's another good thing to think about with Doge, and that's only if we continue to follow this trend line here. Like I said, if this trend line is broken and we just start to go down, and then this is more of a downtrend, then definitely we can expect to stop around 15 cents. But that is not expected. I definitely expect it to continue to rise. We just have too much growth with Doge for it to drop like that, and we have too much support with it. We have so much going on with Doge. For one, we have Slim Jim that supports Doge every day. We have David Gokhshtein that supports Doge every day. He's also the CEO of PackCoin Official, founder of his own media company. Then we also have over here Elon Musk, who is bullish with Doge as well. What does the future hold? It holds Doge. We all know about this. We have Axe that is now supporting Doge. So now we have the Axe Doge right here. And yeah, we have a lot going on with Doge. So we also have Mr. Beast in Doge, because he is collabing with Doge through Slim Jim to do only good every day, which is Doge. That spells Doge. But yeah, this is really big. Everyone knows who Mr. Beast is. Needs no introduction. But yeah, this is really good right now. Philanthropy. This is what Dogecoin is really built off of. Dogecoin is do only good every day. That is what I'm saying right now. Dogecoin is standing for, because normal people are just making money with Dogecoin, and a lot of people are becoming rich off Dogecoin. I know you've seen the videos that says Dogecoin millionaire. I've seen like 10 of those videos so far. But yeah, there's a lot going on with Dogecoin. A lot of people supporting it here. And we even have Newegg now letting you pay inside of Dogecoin. This is their #1 pinned post for Twitter over here, April 20th. That's when they put it out. They put it out on Doge Day 420. So yeah, they're now accepting Doge through BitPay. And this is really big for Doge, because Newegg is the biggest computer company, biggest hardware and software company for computers on the internet. The best gaming platform you can go to buy anything you want. Any high power computer you want, you can go get it from there. And this is really big because Dogecoin is really big inside of the gaming community. Dogecoin is really big inside the tech community. We all support Dogecoin, so this is really big. Now we have even more supporters, and that trading volume is about to go up right there. The 24-hour volume is about to start going up, which is going to be really good. That Dogecoin is going to be used for everyday things. We just need Dogecoin Amazon. And honestly, there's no set news on Dogecoin and Amazon. It's just a rumor right now, but we definitely are expecting them to start accepting Doge. Doge is just becoming too widespread for them not to accept it. Let's go over to Amazon and see if we can find any hints. Yeah, so no Dogecoin hints here, I guess. But we are hoping that we get Dogecoin here on Amazon. This would be really good. This would actually help the whole crypto community, because it wouldn't just be Dogecoin on Amazon. You got to think they would first put Bitcoin and Ethereum on, and then Dogecoin would follow. So we really need them to put Bitcoin on. And if we can really convince them to put Bitcoin on, Dogecoin will inevitably come after that. So that's exactly what we want to see here with Dogecoin and Amazon. We don't want to see Dogecoin just straight going to Amazon right off the bat. We want to see them go into Amazon after Bitcoin, after Ethereum takes that first step. But yeah, that's exactly what we want here. Dogecoin, they're not really too consistent with their Twitter here. They don't really tweet much, but everyone else tweets for them. Like Slim Jim tweets every day for Dogecoin. They always tweet Dogecoin's tweets. But as we can see, Slim Jim is really big with Dogecoin, and so is David Goxie and so many other people. But yeah, we're gonna continue to follow this trend line, and hopefully we do not break this, because if we do, then we will continue to go down. But I don't think this will end up happening. Honestly, we're gonna definitely continue to go up. We just need to continue to rise here with Dogecoin, and we all need to continue to put in more on Dogecoin. Really, Dogecoin only grows when the community invests inside of it. Whatever growth it has, or whatever worth it has, really is really just what we make it. So as long as we continue to invest in it, the price will continue to go up, and that's really what we're looking at here with Dogecoin. And we're definitely going to end up at 30 cents in I wouldn't say a few days, maybe up to like May 1st, we should definitely be 35 cents. And yeah, definitely expect those big profits here with Dogecoin. We're going to continue to rise here. And with Google Trends, we are always trending with Dogecoin. Let's go over to Google Trends and look at that. That is one thing I always like looking at with Dogecoin, because it really tells you how much Dogecoin is being searched and how optimistic people really are with Dogecoin. And over here we have for the last hour, we're still trending. This is the trend that we've seen prior to Doge Day. So this is kind of the same trend line. So we're still doing numbers here with Dogecoin, and we're going to still continue to rise here. Even if you do for past day, we're still good, but not as good, but we're still going up there. But as you can see, we came from this little dip here, and now everyone's searching for Dogecoin right now, because Dogecoin is the #1 crypto. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. And if you want a free stock with Robinhood, Public, or Webull, you can get it inside the description. And also, we have Dogecoin on Webull now, so that's definitely good. And I'll be back on another video.